Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make an animated Instagram post using Canva. So let's get started. Go to Chrome browser, select a profile. Then in the URL box, you type canva.com or you can search on Google Canva. Open the Canva website. Now after opening the website, you have to log in with your account. For making an account, you can use your Gmail account as well as you can create an account using any email. After creating an account on Canva, just logging in. Now, after opening the website, go to create a design option. Now here you have to search animated. As you can see here, animated Instagram post, select this. Then you have to wait for loading the home page. The best thing about Canva is it offers you thousands of templates from which you can create hundreds of designs using according to your need. For example, I want to create a animated Instagram post for my pet. So I will type pet shop. Now, as you can see here, Canva suggested me thousands of templates, so I will choose this one. Now, to change the text, just go to double text here, and I will type pet shop. Now to change the text here, you just go to here and you can change the font of the text. To change the font of the size, you can just minimizing and maximizing by adjusting the side. Now to change the color of the text, go here and you can change the text color. As you can see here, my text color is changed. Now after making the animated post, go to share option and just download it. So that's it guys. Now you know how to create and download an animated Instagram post using Canva for free. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.